So I just found some remote jobs where you can get paid to post payments and process invoices. And one of these jobs will start out at over $27 per hour. So let's go ahead and just jump right into them. So the first two jobs I have come to us from Ventra Health. So Ventra Health is a business solutions provider. Basically, they work with physicians to process any kind of revenue reimbursement, cash postings, those sort of things. And right now they have an opening for a payment posting specialist. This is a full-time remote position. You can do this job anywhere within the United States, but they want you to be able to work Eastern Standard Time hours. So if they expect you to start work at 8 a.m. Eastern Time and you live on the West Coast, you'll actually be working at 5 a.m. your local time. I'm going to scroll down this job lead to see if they tell us how much they pay. And I saw it down here. Way down here, they tell us they're going to pay between $16 and $19 per hour, plus an occasional bonus. And I'm pretty sure you get benefits with this job. So as a payment posting specialist, you'll be assigned 13 to 14 facilities and clients, and you'll be responsible for the monetary intake for those clients. That means you'll post accounts payable deposits, processing electronic 835s, and manual pay or EOBs, and EOB stands for explanation of benefits. And all that includes the posting of insurance allowable, patient portions, denials, adjustments, contractual allowances, recoups, and forward balancing. You'll also interpret explanation of benefit remittance codes and apply correct denial codes, balance and close payment batches in a timely manner. You'll also navigate websites to obtain explanation of benefits and perform special projects and other duties as assigned. They want you to have a high school diploma or equivalent and at least 2 years of experience posting insurance payments in a healthcare setting, and they prefer you have at least 2 years experience reading insurance explanation of benefit statements. So that is just preferred, it's not required. And if you don't have 2 years of experience posting insurance payments in a healthcare setting, but you have posted payments in some other kind of job, some other capacity, that still qualifies. So if you like this job, still apply for it. They'd also like you to have knowledge of insurance payer types, knowledge of explanation of benefit statements, you have strong balancing and reconciliation skills, and you're able to use a 10-key calculator. So that's old school calculator. And of course, you need strong oral, written, and interpersonal communication skills. You have good math skills, you have time management skills, and you're organized. They want you to be able to read, understand, and apply state and federal laws, regulations, and policies. You're also able to remain flexible and work within a collaborative and fast-paced environment, and you're able to communicate with diverse personalities in a tactful, mature, and professional manner. So remember, this job pays $16 to $19 per hour. The more experience you have, the more money you'll make. If you like this job, you can find the direct link in the description below this video. This is job number 1. So if that first job was a little too basic, a little too bare bones, don't worry, because I have a payment posting manager job for you. This one also comes to us from Ventra Health. And as I scroll down this job lead, I did not see where they tell us how much they pay, so I turned to their profile on Glassdoor. Unfortunately, though, they don't have the salary listed for a payment posting manager, but they do have some similar roles. For example, a senior biller has made about $25 per hour, accounts receivable analysts make about $24 per hour, and it looks like staff accountants tend to make about $31 per hour. Now, I get it, these are not the same as the job we're talking about today, but at least now you have a general idea of how much you possibly could make as a payment posting manager. So going back to the job lead, let's talk about the details. As a payment poster manager, you'll be responsible for overseeing all payment posting teams. You'll manage the payment posting department operations, which includes recruiting, selecting, orienting, training, coaching, counseling, and disciplining staff. You'll work closely and in conjunction with the global service delivery units, plan, monitor, appraise, and review staff job contributions, and implement cross-functional training and succession planning as allowable. You'll create future roadmaps and outline target dates for goals and report major issues to Ventra leadership to make aware of potential threats and opportunities. You'll also manage, evaluate, and make recommendations on process effectiveness and conduct regular meetings with each team member and provide suggestions for improvement, as well as communicate with other leadership management across all departments. And you'll compile and prepare reports for senior management to analyze trends and make recommendations. You need a high school diploma or a GED, and they prefer you have a bachelor's degree or equivalent experience in a related field. They also prefer you have at least 4 years of revenue cycle experience and at least 2 years of supervisory or management or leadership experience, and they prefer you have at least 2 years of posting experience. And all 3 of those things are just preferred, they're not required. But if you meet any of those preferences, you'll definitely stand out. They want you to have knowledge of explanation of benefit statements. You also have knowledge of billing codes. You have knowledge of a variety of insurance plans, and you're able to read, understand, and apply state and federal laws, regulations, and policies. You're a good communicator, you're able to remain flexible and work within a collaborative and fast-paced environment. You have basic use of computer, telephone, internet, copier, fax, and scanner machines. And of course, you need good math, time management, and organizational skills. You also have strong knowledge of Outlook, Word, Excel, including pivot tables, as well as database software skills. And you have strong management skills. So if you like this potentially high-paying payment posting management job, you can find the direct link below. This is job number 2. Okay, so on to our third and final job, and this one is for a billing analyst with the company Stride. And they provide innovative, high-quality, tech-enabled education solutions, curriculum, and programs. So this billing analyst job is a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States. And scrolling down this job lead, we see they are going to pay between $57,384 and $98,992 per year. Now that's a great salary, and it translates to $27.59 and $47.59 per hour. That's really great, especially because they're not requiring a whole lot of experience, which I'll get to in just a minute. So in this job, you'll compile, validate, and analyze data in order to prepare accurate and timely customer invoices, schedules, reconciliations, and journal entries. So that means you'll be responsible for processing and validating monthly invoices and review those invoices, ensuring billing activity is booked to the correct revenue accounts. You'll collaborate with the managers of the finance and IT teams to ensure accurate billing and identify variances and work to resolve them, prepare close schedules, accruals, journal entries, general ledger account reconciliations, accounting activity reconciliations, and audit support to ensure SOX controls compliance. You'll also research and respond to relationship business partners regarding customer billing inquiries, prepare and maintain a monthly manual aging to report on past due balances. You'll also perform monthly reconciliation of other accounts receivable balances, cross-train within the department to act as a backup support for team members, and you'll do all that while maintaining accurate and updated procedures and support process improvements. So as far as experience and qualifications, they just want you to have 2 years of accounts receivable billing experience, you have advanced Excel skills, and you're comfortable using NetSuite. You know your way around Microsoft Office products, you're able to multitask, you're thorough, you're able to resolve problems, and you're a strong team worker with good communicating skills. And they tell us it's a strong advantage if you have prior exposure to SOX controls with the ability to quickly and appropriately respond to external auditor inquiries. And you need to be able to clear the required background check. So they list a few desired qualifications, and these are just desired, they're not required. They desire you have a bachelor's degree, preferably in accounting. They desire you have an understanding of accounting and or revenue processes, and they desire you have an understanding of SOX compliance. Again, those are just desired, they're not required. So if this $57,000 to $98,000 a year job interests you, you can find the direct link below. This is job number 3. All right, there you go. We just went over 3 really good work from home jobs. Hopefully one of these works out for you. 2 of them are in payment posting. The other one is invoice processing. But if you're looking for something you can do part-time, check out this video right here. Maybe one of those jobs will work for you. Good luck to all of you who apply. And as always, thank you so much for visiting, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.